Hello everyone, welcome back and thank you for watching. For today's video, I am so excited to share with you guys some very easy wall decor DIYs using these Dollar Tree wall stickers. So I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and if you do, give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and don't forget to hit the notification bell button so you can get notified every time I upload. With that being said, now let's craft. For my first project, I will be using this wall sticker that says, "Our family's gathering place, sit long, talk much, laugh often." And I will be using this love sign that I got during Valentine's at the Dollar Tree. Now, Dollar Tree carries some of these signs that you can use instead. I'm going to start by removing the paper in the front just to make this look clean. I will not be using the front, I will be using the back, so I'm going to paint it white using some white chalk paint. Now, after letting this dry completely, I will be adding the sticker, and I'm going to add it more towards the top because I'm going to add some greenery at the bottom. I will be using the greenery that I got from Walmart. This is the eucalyptus. I cut 2 stems off and I tied them together using some jute twine, one going one direction and then the other one going the other direction, leaving a space in the center. Once I'm done tying this, I will be gluing this at the bottom of the gathering place sticker, and I will be using hot glue. The space in the center, I will be making a bow using the Dollar Tree ribbon. I will be making a double bow without a tail, so I'm going to cut 2 pieces of the ribbon, but first I'm going to scrunch them together like this. Not using a piece of string, I'm going to just tie them together, and then I'm going to glue this right in the center of the greenery. For the hanger, I will be using a piece of jute twine and some Dollar Tree beads. I'm going to just add several of these beads to the jute twine, and then I'm going to tie them to my sign. And that is it for this wall decor sign, which I think it turned out beautiful. For my next project, I will be using 3 of these Dollar Tree signs, and I'm going to paint them using the dark gray I have been using, and I'm going to paint all of them using this color. The next thing I will be using is this Dollar Tree piece of wood that I will be adding the chalkboards on, and I'm going to leave a space in between each of them. Now I'm going to just paint the little piece of wood that you can see here. I'm using this wall stickers that says faith, hope, and love. Now, these are a little bit too big for the little boards, so I'm going to just cut a little bit off so they can fit. And I'm going to do that to the rest of them because not all of them fit. And I'm adding faith at the top, hope, and love. They also have these other little designs on them that you can add, but I am not adding those. I'm only adding the words. And that is it for this decor sign. For my next project, I will be using this Dollar Tree map sticker and this Dollar General Christmas frame that I got after Christmas, so it was half off. Dollar Tree carries large picture frames that you can use instead. I'm going to take this apart by pushing down the back, and it removes easily. And then I'm going to remove the paper from the picture. I'm going to remove the picture from the front. Even though I'm not using the front, I still want this to look clean on the back. The back wasn't only glue, it was like nailed, so I am going to remove the little nails. By removing the nails, it's going to make it easier to glue the back easily. Once I have the frame ready, I'm going to remove the price stickers from the back, and then I'm going to add the map. Before I press it down real good, I'm going to place it where I want it to go. The map, it is a little bit bigger than the back piece, but I still made it work and it still fit, even though the little border on the sides didn't fit. Instead of cutting the sides, I'm going to just do this and glue them on the other side. And then I'm going to add the back piece on the frame using hot glue. And that is it for this map decor sign, which I think it's perfect for a Father's Day gift idea. For my next project, I'm going to use these gold butterfly stickers and this wood circle. Now, Dollar Tree carries wood circles that you can use instead. Mine is from Hobby Lobby. I'm going to paint it gray, and then I'm going to add the butterflies, but first I'm going to let this dry completely. I'm going to add the butterflies here and there, and this is how they look. I think this dark color underneath the gold makes the butterflies stand out most. I also had these little gold transfer stickers that I decided to use. I am going to put sweet love on the side, but I did have to remove one of the butterflies. Actually rearrange the butterflies so I can add this. that is it for this beautiful Sweet Love butterfly wall decor sign, which I think it turned out beautiful. For my next project, I will be using this Dollar Tree wall sticker and this star wall decor sign, which I am going to remove the top part where the star is using my handsaw. And then I'm going to add the sticker. Now, one thing I do regret doing is just placing the sticker right on top of this. I wish I would have painted like where the sticker is going to be at white so you can see it more. But instead of me having to do all of that, I went over the words using a black paint marker. Well, most of the words. I'm not going to lie, this was my least favorite one, but it still turned out beautiful. And that is it for these easy Dollar Tree wall sticker DIYs. I really hope you guys have enjoyed today's video. Let me know down in the comment section which was your favorite, because I would love to know. So thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. And until next time, bye.